Hello friends, today we are going to be taking our Chapter 4 project-based task, our PBT. This one is called Brick Towers. So I'm going to read you this test. After I read each question and talk about it, you'll need to pause the video so that you can complete the question before I move on to the next one. So after I've read and talked about number 1, you need to pause it and finish number 1, or re-listen to me talking about number 1 if there was something that you didn't understand. Some friends are building towers with bricks. Some of the bricks are big, the rest are small. Tower A uses 47 bricks. Tower B uses 52 bricks. Tower C uses 45 bricks. So that is going to be our information that we need to think about for the next 3 questions. Number 1. Kumari's favorite tower uses 35 big bricks and 17 small bricks. Which tower is Kumari's favorite? So they've already drawn a picture of his tower. They said he used 35 big bricks and 17 small bricks. So they've laid that out for you in tens and ones. This is 35, and here we've got 17. So Kumari's favorite tower uses 35 big bricks and 17 small bricks. Which tower is Kumari's favorite? Is it Tower A, which uses 47 bricks, Tower B, which uses 52 bricks, or Tower C, which uses 45 bricks? So you're going to put either Tower A, B, or C on the line. Number 2 says, how many total bricks are in Tower A and Tower C? So this is where you have to use our information up above. How many total bricks are in Tower A and Tower C? You will write that answer on the line. Number 3 says, which 2 towers use a total of 99 bricks? And you'll put Tower A, B, or C here and Tower A, B, or C here. To figure this out, you're going to have to think, which 2 of these towers have numbers that add up to 99? As you go on to the back side of your test, you will be thinking about different information in different towers. So here it says, Mila made these models to show how many bricks she used to make towers D and E. So here you see Tower D, and here you see Tower E. How many bricks did Mila use to build Tower D? So how many bricks do we see in this picture here? How many tens and ones that represent the bricks she used? What is my total? Number 5 says, what is the total number of bricks Mila used to make towers D and E? So now that you know how many bricks Mila used to build Tower D, if I add on my Tower E bricks, how many total bricks will I have? Number 6 says, you are asked to build a tower that has 62 bricks in total. Use some big bricks and some small bricks. How many bricks and how many big bricks and how many small bricks will you use? So just think about how you are building a tower, 62 bricks in total. So you need to think about 2 numbers that add up to 62, using some big bricks and some small bricks. And this total of big and small bricks needs to equal 62. So think about how many correct answers we will have here. The only thing you may not do is put 0 and 62, because it says you have to use some big bricks and some small bricks. So putting a 0 in either blank will lead to an incorrect answer. So 62 bricks, some big, some small. Lots of correct answers here. Your amount of big bricks and your amount of small bricks must equal 62 total. If it does not, you will have a wrong answer. So before you turn your test in, make sure you have your name on it. Make sure that you have checked your answers. A good idea, once you're finished, would be to play the video again while you listen to me read through and talk about the problems, and make sure that you haven't missed anything or heard the directions incorrectly. Be sure that your answers make sense and that you have checked your math so that you didn't make any small mistakes. As soon as you are done checking your work, again, make sure your name is on it and go ahead and turn it in.